Hello. Let's look at this particular question here. School WASSCE in Nigeria 2024 question 10b on elective maths or further mathematics. Alright. The question is resolve 3s squared minus 7 over s cubed plus 2s squared minus 8s into partial fractions. Okay. Before resolve this fraction here or this rational function here into partial fraction, then what we are going to do is to make sure that this is a proper fraction, all right, where the highest degree of the variable x here will be less than the highest degree of the variable s in the denominator. So then the highest degree of the denominator is 2 and the highest degree of the denominator here is 3. So it's a proper fraction. So we can resolve into partial fractions. And before resolving the partial fraction, you have to factorize the denominator, all right, to see which type of partial fraction are you going to resolve to. All right, so first of all, what we are going to do, we are going to factorize the denominator. So you have 3s squared minus 7 divided by, so what can we factorize out? You can factorize s out here. So that I have s squared plus 2x minus 8. Okay, then we can further factorize because this is what? A quadratic trinomial. So we can further factorize this to get what? 3s squared minus 7 over x, and we have, when we factorize, you get x minus 2 and x plus 4. So that x times x will give us s squared, s times 4 will give us 4s, minus 2 times s will give us minus 2s, 4s minus 2 will give us positive 2s, and then minus 3 times 4 will give us negative 8. So we have been able to factorize. And you see that the factors of the factorization here, all right, they are all linear factors. So we are going to go by the type 1 of our, resolving a rational function into partial fractions, and then we solve. So quickly, we have 3s squared over 7 divided by x, then x minus 2, and then s plus 4 to be equal to a over x plus b over x minus 2 plus c over x plus 4. Okay, so this is what we have. And then you can still have 3s squared minus 7 over x minus 2, and then s plus 4 equal to, then let's find the LCM of this. The LCM over x minus 2, and then x plus 4. All right, then x will go here, it will go into x1, remaining s minus 2 and s plus 4, and that one is going to multiply the a. So we are going to have a multiplying s minus 2 x plus 4 plus the s minus 2 also go here, one remaining x and s plus 4. So b is going to multiply x and then x plus 4 plus our c. When you check the c, s plus 4 also go here, and the remaining s and s minus 2. We have x and then x minus 2. Okay, so this is what we have at our numerator. Then you can see that the denominator here is equal to the denominator here. Therefore, we can see that the numerator here is also will be equal to the numerator here. So that we can have 3s squared minus 7 to be equal to a multiplying s minus 2 and then s plus 4, and then plus b multiplying x and then s plus 4, and then plus c multiplying x and then x minus 2. All right, so this is what we have, and then this is how we are going to solve to find the value of a, b, and then c. You can see that a is multiplying the two factors s minus 2 and s plus 4, b is s plus 4, c is s minus 2. So when I put s to 0, you see the whole of the b part will become 0, the whole of the c part becomes 0, so that I can find a. When I also put s to negative 2, a part will become 0, the c becomes 0, and I can find b. And I also put s to be 2, all right, all here will become 0, and then here will become 0. Alright, or I put h to be negative 4. Negative 4, this side becomes 0, and this side becomes 0, and I can find what? And I can find my c. Is that okay? So let's do that so that we get the values of a, b, and then c. Okay. So we say that when x is equal to 0, so when x is equal to 0, you have 3, 0 squared minus 7 to be equal to, alright, when x is 0, the whole of b becomes 0 because here will be 0, and to multiply everything, the whole of the c also becomes 0. So it is only a that will remain. So I have a 0 minus 2 and then 0 plus 4. So this one, 3 times 0 square will give me 0. So negative 7 will be equal to, this will give me negative 2, and this will give me 4. Negative 2 by 4 will give me negative 8. So I have negative 8a. And then my a is going to be, I'll divide 2 by negative 8. Negative 7 over negative 8. And that will give me 7 out of 8. So my a is 7 out of 8. Then I also say that when s is equal to, I want to find b. So when s is equal to 2, alright, so when s is equal to 2, so that the a side will become 0, and then the c side becomes 0, and I can find what? B. So I'll say 3, 2 squared minus 7 equal to, the a will become 0, and then I have b, 2, and then I have what? 2 plus 4. Alright, so this is what I'm going to get, because when s is 2, here will be 0, and here will be, so the a and the b and the c will become 0. 2 square will give me 4, 4, 3, 12, minus 7 equal to, here will give me 2 plus 4 will give me 6. 6 times 2 will give me 12, so 12b. And I'll have 12 minus 7 will give me 5, to be equal to 12b. And I have my b to be equal to what? 5 over 12. So b is 5 over 12. Then I have c when x is equal to what? When you want to solve for the c, then when x is equal to negative 4, when x is equal to negative 4, I think you can also solve for c. So that will give me 3, negative 4 squared minus 7 equal to, here will be 0, here will be 0, so c, negative 4, and then negative 4 minus 2. So when x is also equal to negative 4, then the a and the b become 0. So I have negative 4 squared will give us what? 16. And then we will have negative 4 squared is 16. And 16 by 3 will give us 48. So 48 minus 7 equal to, and then here we have negative 4 minus 2, or minus 4 minus 2 give me minus 6 times minus 4. So minus 6 times minus 4 is going to give me 24, positive 24. So that I have with the 6, I have 24c. And 48 minus 7 will give me 41. So 41 is going to be equal to 24 what? 24c. So 41 is equal to 24c. Alright, so what will be our c? Our c is going to be 41 divided by 24. So our c is 41 over 24. Therefore, we can say that this fraction here, which is, let me write it here, which is 3s squared minus 7 over s cubed plus 2s squared minus 8s is equal to, what is our a? 7 over 8x plus, what is our b? 5 over 12 multiplying the x, which is s minus 2. And what is our c? Our c is 41 on 24 multiplying x plus 4. multiplying x plus 4. So our fraction 3x squared minus 7 over s cubed plus 2s squared minus 8s is equal to 7 over 8s plus 5 over 12 multiplying s minus 2 plus 41 over 24 multiplying s plus 4. This is our answer. I believe it is clear. See you once again. Make sure to like and share. If you have not subscribed, I'm urging that subscribe our page, Best Grade Mathematics Class. Look out for more, and I know that you will enjoy it. Bye bye.